Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshimash. Today we've got a little refurb transformation video for you guys, and this is the back panel of the Hoover A3308. And oh boy, does it look really bad. It really could do with some TLC. I know that this is only the back of the machine, but with the rest of the machine being in such good condition, it would be a shame, as my grandmother would say, to spoil the ship for a ha'porth of tar. So what we're going to do is do a transformation on this. First we are going to rub it down. Just make sure all the panels are in shape. That was pretty easy. We are going to be rubbing it down, and then we're going to be spray painting it. So we're going to be first using, where are we? Here we go. So we're going to be first using the grey primer by High Coat. We're then going to be spray painting it an aluminium colour, and then we are going to be giving it a clear lacquer finish to protect it for the future. So the products we're going to be using are High Coat. I have used them before and they are very good spray paints, so we're going to test it on this and see how we get on. So the first thing I need to do is to set up here and put a cover over, and then we can sand this down just so that we have a really nice starting, material to it, get rid of all this corrosion on the inside as well. So I'm going to get set up. I'll be back in a minute. So I got everything prepared here. I've got the drill, the sanding drill bit. I've got 60 grit sandpaper pads, my gloves, the vacuum for getting rid of it as I sand it. I've also got some sanding blocks, and I've got my mask behind me that I'm going to put my mask on as well. So let's crack on with this. Now it's time to use some clear lacquer, but I'm going to do the inside first just to test it.